In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Roblox on your phone. You're going to be able to know how to create a new Roblox account. So now open up your Roblox, right? You need to have this application on your phone, right? So click on it. So once it has opened up, what you're going to do right now, just wait for it to load up, right? You're going to see create account, sign in, right? So click on this create account. Now at first, you're going to be able to select your birthday, right? You can select your birthday, your date of birth. So once you have selected it, you're going to click on confirm, right? So I'm going to click on, let me say 2002, right? Click on confirm birthday. So enter your username. Once I've entered your username, you're going to enter it here, right? You can just come on, you can type in James, right? Okay, let me say James 189, right? Okay, I can just click on this. You're going to select your gender, either male or female, right? So click on this. Just click on that continue. Once you have done this, right, you're going to be able to create your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next video.